Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak ranchero. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of thin-cut beef, like sirloin or flank steak. Also, prepare fresh tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 jalapenos, and 3 cloves of garlic. Don't forget vegetable oil, 1 cup of beef broth, and your favorite spices for seasoning. Begin by slicing your beef into thin strips, then season it generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the steak in batches for about 2 minutes per side until nicely browned. Remove the steak, then add your diced onions, jalapenos, and minced garlic to the pan, sautéing until they are soft and fragrant. Now, add about 2 cups of chopped fresh tomatoes and 1 cup of beef broth to the sautéed vegetables. Stir everything together, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, return your seared steak to the sauce, ensuring it's fully coated, and continue to simmer until the beef is tender. To finish, garnish your delicious steak ranchero with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve it immediately with warm corn or flour tortillas, or alongside a bed of fluffy rice for a complete meal. This dish is perfect for a flavorful weeknight dinner or a festive gathering. And hey, if you're looking to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.